apply a bead between the bolt holes and the shoulder. There's not a lot of room in there. If you can try to keep the silicone on the top of the wheel instead of down along the side. About an 1/8 inch to a 1/4 inch bead. Sometimes there'll be bubbles in the car. If one pops out and there's a void, you need to fill it in, keep from having air bubbles in the seal. Now you take the outer shell and try to get it directly over top of the inner and line up the holes. I set one side down first, and then the other side. You don't want to slide it around too much because it'll spread the silicone out. This is a race center. The bolts will go in from the back. Drop that in. (180 degrees apart or across from each other. Alright, now I'll put it on my roller and smooth out the silicone. The wheel up on my rollers, and I just use my finger and apply light pressure. And, spin it slowly. Work the silicone down to the crack. Now we put the bolts in and tighten it up as quickly as possible. The bolts on the race wheels go in from the back side. I've already put most of them in and put the nuts on them. You just stick them through. Start the nuts by hand. You want to try to get it together before the silicone sets up, so you can smooth it down again after you get the wheel clamped together or tightened up. It helps to, before you start, already have the washers on the bolts, or if you're doing a street wheel, you can put the bolts in the center before you drop it in, and that speeds things up quite a bit. When I tighten the nuts, I usually tighten one and then go 180 degrees, tighten the other one, then come back 90 degrees and go across from there in a crossing pattern. After I get 4 of them tight, then I just go around the perimeter and just tighten them in a row. Now we have the wheel all bolted together. They're tightened at about 32 foot-pounds, and I'm going to smooth the silicone out one more time. Make sure there's no bubbles in it. Alright, now looks pretty good. In about 24 hours curing time, it'll be ready to get a tire mounted on it and air it up.